Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Find My Friend's iPhone location not available issue. If you've ever tried to check a friend's location and received a location not available message, it can definitely be frustrating. But don't worry, this problem is common and in most cases it's very easy to fix. Let's go step by step. First, make sure your friend has a stable internet connection. The Find My feature depends on either Wi-Fi or cellular data to update location in real time. If their signal is weak or disconnected, their location won't show. So ask them to check that they're properly connected and that their internet is working. Next, we need to confirm that location services are enabled on their iPhone. To do this, they should go to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security and select Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on at the top. Without this setting enabled, the device cannot share its location. After that, check that Share My Location is turned on. Your friend should go to Settings, tap their Apple ID at the top, then tap Find My, and make sure Share My Location is toggled on. If this is turned off, their location won't be visible to you. It's also important that both of you are signed into iCloud with your correct Apple IDs. The location sharing system works through Apple's iCloud service, so if someone is signed out, the feature won't function properly. Another simple but effective fix is restarting both iPhones. Power off the devices completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. This refresh can resolve temporary glitches. You should also make sure both devices are running the latest version of iOS. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the location not available issue and get everything working again. Hopefully this guide helped you out and you'll be back to sharing locations smoothly in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.